Hello, this is Lance Cleveland again. I am going to show you what I've been working on the past couple of days, on and off between Father's Day and other family events. So the Store Locator Plus that's coming out is going to be labeled 4.0. Part of that is a lot of changes to the way the user interface is rendered and some of the HTML structure that has required all the CSS files to be changed, just in minor ways, but it will also mean if you have custom CSS rules, you will need to change those. So it will be a significant impact on sites that have done a lot of customization based on table tags and all that around the map area. So why did I do that? Well, part of it is so I can get the formatting that I want and provide some easy to use controls on the map plugin to be able to change the look and feel. The legacy stuff that I inherited had too much excess HTML that made it difficult to really format what I wanted. So if you've looked at the previous video, you'll have seen this new interface here, which was changed so I could add new features. And some of those features are things like the upcoming Pro Pack, where you can change the page structure layout. So I've got some custom page structure layout here. Now I've recently started for enhanced map is the map settings page has a section for map layout. So this is a way that you can easily format just the map area of the page. There are two new shortcodes: SLP map content, which is where it will put the div tags that are required for Google. Google will look for div ID equals map and replace that with its own custom images and all its code and everything. So it actually uses JavaScript to search that out. So that is where the map will appear. And then SLP map tagline, that's the Store Locator Plus. This here is the created by Store Locator Plus tagline. So this is the default here. If you ever want to reset it, you just blank it out and it will actually reset to this by default. That's the default setup. With version 4, all the HTML for the tables is gone around the map. So if you look under the covers, you'll see that there are a lot of web designers and graphic designers that manhandle the Store Locator Plus interface. They're going to like that change. So anyway, so I'll just show you the default here. It does have a tiny bit of customization from some stuff I was playing with, but with the Pro Pack. But basically, here's what it looks like right now. Using the Pro Pack, I've moved my search and my results to the side. That is a customization I did on the last go-around of testing. And this map area right here is what I've added in the past 2 days, is the ability to change anything in this map box. So if I go and look at the underlying code, I will actually just see a div tag here, a couple div tags stacked, no extra information there. So what I can do now with enhanced map turned on is I can go in and change this, and I can do stuff like put in HTML code here saying things like this is the map, an H1 tag, and I want to get rid of the Store Locator Plus. You can still do that with the checkbox under general settings, but here I just deleted out the tagline completely from the enhanced map add-on, and I'm going to save that. You can still obviously turn things like that on and off just with remove credits, for example, but now with enhanced map you can also delete it that way. They basically do the same thing. So there we go. So that's my saved setting. One of the other things I've done recently, by the way, a minor thing, is it remembers which of the sidebar tabs you're on. So that was a little quirk that I didn't like that I patched since the last demo. So this is the map with an H1 tag. Lets me do stuff like that. But this also allows me to be a lot more creative now. I can do things like div style. I'm going to add some padding around this and a border. Solid 1 pixel black so you can see it. And put it inside of a div. So now instead of writing a bunch of extensive CSS rules, I can ensure that this gets applied around my map. And this is one of the reasons I've added this ability to tweak just the map area. With enhanced map is I want to be able to easily change the divs and the HTML and the styles that are assigned. So there's my padding and there's my border around that. So it just makes it easier to customize it. I made it the border a little bit too big, so it wrapped all this stuff here inside my div. So part of that's just that I forgot to close a tag or something correctly. So and you can see right here that's the error. We'll fix that. So that's basically what I've been working on. I'll be doing more of that, things that allow me to customize the user interface without having to jump through all sorts of hoops. And there we go, the div closed correctly, and that's what it looks like. So this allows you to easily change things without having to hack code. So that's what I've been working on the past couple of days. I'll start adding sliders and all sorts of little trickery to this this interface here, and adding features to all the enhanced add-ons that hopefully people will find useful for building custom interfaces without doing a lot of coding or custom CSS files. So that's it for now. I'll show you more in a few more days as progress continues on the upcoming Store Locator Plus 4 and all the enhanced maps and pro packs and tagalongs and store pages changes that are coming. Have a good one. Bye.